Alright, so this is the entrance to the apartment. On the left, you have a full-sized mirror with a stool right below it. And then you have the washroom. Look at the washroom, you guys. It's just so pretty. So this is the separate shower area that comes with this black fittings. And on the other side, you have the wash basin and a very beautiful mirror and the most aesthetically pleasing interior done, you guys. I mean, just look at this place. This would be my dream washroom. I mean, if I can take inspiration from this apartment, this washroom is going to be one. Yeah, of course, that's me, all tanned. And now let's move on from this place. I was really obsessed with this washroom for some reason. All right, let's now move on to the other side. Right opposite to the washroom, you have this large wardrobe and a shoe rack with sitting space. And when you move out of the foyer area, you get this double door refrigerator and a very beautifully done, fully functional kitchen. And just opposite to that, you have a double-seater dining table and a two-seater sofa. And onto the extreme left, you can see there is a small, yet beautifully done study space. You get a television, a console, and this spot, you guys, is my favorite. Look at the view from here. You get to see the Black Sea on the left, the mountains, and the entire Batumi city. So yeah, this place looks even more beautiful in person than I imagined it to be just looking at the pictures. Since this is a studio apartment, you have the bed right here. It's a queen size bed and very comfortable. You get charging points on both sides. And yeah, it costed us around 7,000 per night. Since it was peak season in Batumi, it might cost you even less if you're going off season. We were here only for one night and I really wished we stayed here for a longer time. Instead of staying at Orbi City, this place is much better, very centrally located, just 500 meters from the Ali and Nino statue and the Alphabet Tower. So yeah, it's a very lively location. If you guys need more details about this Airbnb, do drop in your comment and I'll share the link with you. I hope you enjoyed watching this video like we enjoyed the views from this place. If you did, do leave a thumbs up and I'll see you soon in another vlog. Till then, take good care. Bye bye.